All right, back to my favorite barn mini. I'm doing a little touch up. We got the blue tape grenade went off in here, so let me show you a little bit of small touch up detail, how we do it. All done. Don't even need any paint. Water-based texture, cardboard shields. We just have this tiny little dot right there. We do a little practice sample on our shield. Not too bad. Then we start on the shield and we flick it up to the wall. So I'm kind of looking down where my texture is going to hit. And this is water-based texture, so it really shrinks back quite a bit. So do a little bit more than you think you need for water-based, and then let it dry. You can always come back and take a look at it in 10 or 15 minutes and see what it's going to look like. So that's pretty much done right there. Good. All right, so basically all I did is I V'd out the groove a little bit, only about a 1/16 inch deep, maybe 1/8 inch wide. And then I used a speckling, not drywall mud, but actual speckling. Filled it back in. It's a no shrink spackle, so that's about where it's gonna be like. And then I rubbed the edges with my finger to get that texture back out. So I'm not filling the texture, I'm only filling the crack or the little gouge that I just made. And that way, it's just a little bit of water-based texture, and that should disappear. That's all we're doing. Just a little tiny texture, just to get rid of our small little fill. All right, simple and easy.